Ossetra, wondrous earth. Ossetra.
We'd like to give our viewers some ideas on what to do with our berry powders and our sea spices. One of the things I like to do is rolling sushi in our sea spice.
Now here's a fun little idea. You can also put their blueberry into your ice cream and give it a beautiful blue color. Or you can add the cranberry into the cookie dough ice cream. Wow, this looks really yummy.
All of our berry powders feature wonderful antioxidant qualities and taste fabulous in yogurt. Bake apple is definitely my favorite.
Ossetra, Ossetra, wondrous earth. Ossetra.